Hello everyone. So in this video, let us talk about how to capture the requirements, especially Jira changes or tickets that you receive from your users for modifications to your automations or scripts, or maybe it is just those simple trivial activities or support tickets. Now, when it comes to capturing requirements in Jira, I think I have made several videos on my channel where I have shared ideas, and I have of course mentioned that do what really works for you when it comes to capturing the requirements, initial requirements. When you're starting out with your implementation, it could be an Excel sheet, it could be a document, it could be a conference page. I mean, do what works for you, right? So usually, personally, I prefer an Excel sheet, because when it comes to Excel sheets are organized. You can create separate tabs for different configurations, but Excel sheet may not always be super readable. So you always have to figure out the best approach based on your situation, your organization, your team. Sometimes you need to create a mix of everything. Like maybe you want to start with a Confluence or a Word document for brainstorming. Then you might need to create PPTs to showcase your solution or whatever you're doing with Jira to your stakeholders or management. But when it comes to actual technical specifications, like what fields, what data types, what automations, the workflow, you can of course just maintain it within your Excel sheets. This is about, of course, capturing new requirements. But what about changes? What about after 2 months, when you're up and running, people are trying to change something? How do you capture it? Now, of course, if you have done a lot of requirement gathering for a big, important, critical process, then you may want to keep a different version of that particular document, or you may want to keep on updating that particular document with new changes, right? So this is of course a challenge. So in this video, I thought I'll probably share a few things. Number one, first of all, if we talk about trivial tickets, giving some user permission, or creating a project, or maybe changing simple things in your Jira configuration. Maybe you want to receive a ticket where the user can ask you to create a project specific workflow, like detach their workflow, right? So there are so many things that are basically, I'm not saying it is simple or difficult, but things where you can actually use